I can feel the wind when I blow it on my hand. I can feel the wind when I switch on the fan. I can feel the wind when my hair flies. I can feel the wind when my shirt dries. I can feel the wind when the trees sway. I can feel the wind when I run to play.
Good morning, children. Welcome on this marvelous Monday. So, I hope you all have heard the rhyme. अभी आप लोग ने एक poem सुनी थी. You all have listened to a nice poem. And can you guess what this poem is all about? Yes, it's all about wind. So, in our today's English class, we are going to read, you are going to listen to a very nice story about the wind and the sun. And this topic you have already covered in your EVS topic. So, what is our aim today? What are we going to do? We are going to listen to the story and enjoy. And what is the title of the story? The title of the story is The Wind and the Sun. So the main characters in this story are wind and the sun. So hope you are going to enjoy this story. First I am going to read the story, explain it to you, and the same you can read with your parents at home. Children, now this is your Oxford Ink book. You are going to open Oxford Ink book, page number 60. So as I told you, we are going to listen to a story, and the story is all about the wind and the sun. The wind and the sun are friends. As you all are having friends, आपके friends होते हैं. Same way, wind and sun, they both are friends. ये दोनों आपस में friends थे. Now let's see what happens. One day they had a tiff. What's the meaning of tiff? Tiff means argument. Argument means बहस करना. Sometimes you are also not agree with your friends. जब आप अपने friends से agree नहीं करते, you also do argument. Same way, wind and sun, they also had an argument. Now let's see what is the argument all about. So wind says, I am stronger than you. And sun says, no, you are not. So they both are fighting. And the wind is saying, I am stronger. And the sun is saying, no, you are not stronger than me. Look at that man. The one who can make him take his coat off is stronger. So what sun is telling? Sun is telling to wind, see, this man is walking. And you can see this man is wearing coat. You can see man is wearing brown coat. And the sun tells him, let's do one thing. हम दोनों में से आउट ऑफ बोथ ऑफ अस जो भी इसका कोट रिमूव करवाएगा, कोट ऑफ मीन्स द वन हु इज गोइंग टू मेक हिम रिमूव हिज कोट इज गोइंग टू बी स्ट्रोंगर. सो नाउ दे बोथ हैव now they both are going to work on this, how they are going to make him remove the coat. Let's see what wind is doing now. The wind huffs and puffs. The man feels cold. He pulls the coat tightly around him. Now the wind is blowing, huffs and puffs, like he is blowing fast. And what happens? The man is feeling cold. As you can see in the picture, he is folding his arms. और उसने अपना कोट क्या कर लिया? He has tied his coat around himself. उसने और अपने कोट को टाइट करके पकड़ लिया so that he doesn't feel cold. And now the sun is smiling. Let's see what sun do now. Next, the sun starts to shine brightly. The man feels hot. He takes off his coat. And as you all know, sun is shining brightly. And when the sun shines brightly, we all feel hot. हमको बहुत hot feel होता है. Same way, this man starts feeling hot and he has removed his coat. You can see the coat is removed in this picture now. And this way, the sun proves to the wind that he is stronger. And in this manner, now sun has proved he is more stronger than wind. So I hope you have understood this story.
Children, I hope you have enjoyed the story. Now we are going to do the exercise given on page number 61. What is the question? Write the weather next to the picture. Use the help box. Help box is given. We are going to look at the picture and write the weather condition accordingly. Now, can you see the first picture? How is the weather? The weather is cloudy. So, we have the 4-line concept here. We are going to follow that. Now, the weather is cloudy. Cloudy starts with which sound? Cloudy. So, we are going to write the spelling here. So, follow the concept of 4 lines. We are going to start with small c, L, O, U, D, and Y will come from the upper blue line to the lower red line. Cloudy. Now, see what is happening here? It is rainy. R says rainy. So, we are going to write R, A, I, N, Y. Rainy. Now, you can tell this. How's the weather? Sunny. So, sun, you can read the word. So, we can write S, U, N, Y. Sunny. And now, how is this weather? The weather is windy. So, we are going to write windy. In a wind आपने पढ़ा है. Now, we will add D and Y to it. It becomes a weather condition, windy. So, like this, you are going to do this exercise. Follow the line concept. Now, come to question number B. What is the weather like today? Draw a picture and write a weather word for today. This you are going to do according to the weather condition when you are going to do this page. Now, come to question number C. Match the weather related items to the appropriate weather. The different weather conditions are given here and these are the items. When do you use these items and which weather condition? You have to do the matching. Like this is the cloudy weather. So we use a rag when we go to the beach. Yes, to make a sand castle. So this is a rag. Now rest, you are going to do it on your own. Match the things related to sunny, rainy and windy. Okay, thank you.